Decathlon Guwahati Live. We are at the fishing event, and this is Mr. Dushyant. He's from the Assam Game Fishing Association. He's one of the participants in this fishing event that we are conducting. And so, can you just introduce yourself and talk about from where did you learn fishing?
We've been fishing since childhood now, so
Okay.
and we keep every Sunday we keep doing our events, go fishing. Basically nowadays it's summertime, so we are doing pond fishing. But basically in the winters we like to go to the river, catch some
So,
fish.
what do you love about fishing in general?
The whole thing about coming out in the nature and catching some fish,
Okay.
spending some good time with your friends and all. So that's the basic thing about fishing.
And can you just explain to the camera what exactly
Today
you're
I'm
doing?
using a multiple hook.
So this is a bait, by the way.
Yeah, so I'm using bread with lot of some ant eggs
Okay.
and some honey, like that. So the carp they like something sweet and something like bread and all. No? So you're using this with this rod and reel. So this is a spinning reel. This one.
This is a spinning reel.
Yeah.
This is
So basically this is the bail. Okay.
okay.
This thing is known as a bail. So here is the drag. So when the fish is hooked, it can pull. So this is the drag is tight now. So if I loosen the drag, then it comes out.
Okay. I hope you had a shot of that.
Yeah.
And a good close-up of the bait that he's using. I think this looks like the secret ingredient that he has.
Yeah, I
Till
believe
now,
he's been
that
catching a
side
lot
people
of
are
fishes.
catching more.
I think that side also has the same secret ingredient because I
So-
heard some conversations going on that side.
So you just try. Let's see. I haven't hooked any yet.
Best of luck to you.
Thank you.
Hooking some, to
Okay.
catching
And
some fish.
you guys
But-
should do it often, more often.
We will definitely. So as you know, Decathlon has just launched in Guwahati. We will conduct a lot of fishing events. I think probably every month or every week or every weekend.
And you must be there.
And
And
yeah, I will try and be there and bring you hashtag Decathlon Guwahati Live. And by the way, the fish that we are catching, we are also letting it go into the water after that.
Yeah.
So
So we're doing
just
catch
to
and
be
release.
clear that we're not catching the fish. It's just a sport and fun. But at the same time, we don't want to hurt the fish. So we're just letting it go in the water. Thank you so much for joining us. We'll bring you more events from Decathlon Guwahati Live. Thank you.